Hi everyone, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel, and today I wanted to share my journaling project with you all. So you'll remember the mixed media journal pages that I have been doing. This is how I made the cover page for that journal. For all the projects that I show on later on, which are actually different pages of my mixed media art journal, they will all be linked below. I'll link the playlist for you all. Now onto the cover page, I wanted to do something special and something hand-drawn, which I normally don't do because I'm really not good at drawing. So here you can see on the right, the inspiration has come from Pinterest. So this is the image that I really liked, and it looked fairly simple to draw, and that is what I used to draw on the top of my page. Now, since this is, mixed media journal, ideally I should have gessoed the first page as well as the page behind that. However, I just wanted to show you that what will happen if you don't gesso and do some painting on top of it. So what happens is whatever stamping impressions, etc., that are there behind the page, that will all be seen on the top of my page because there was no priming that was done on the page. So that was the whole idea, and that is why I purposefully did not gesso my page, just to show you the difference, that what happens if you gesso and if you don't. Going forward, most of the pages in this particular journal are all gessoed. Now once I was happy with how I drew with pencil, I took one of my waterproof Sakura Pigma Micron pen and drew the face again. Now I wanted this face to look more artistic, and that is why I went back with pencil again and drew a couple of lines here and there just to make it more sketchy. Now here I have removed CrafTangles liquid watercolors and I will start painting with them. So for the lips and the blush and the eyeshadow, I am using Pretty Peony, which is a very vibrant pink color. So you can see that on the eyeshadow and the blush, I am going with a very liquid version or very watered down version of the paint. And here you can immediately see that as soon as I have started putting water on top of my diary, it has started to curl a little bit because it is not watercolor paper, and second, I have not gessoed, so the water gets soaked into the paper. But that's completely fine. It did not matter a lot at the end, that you'll see the results. And now moving on for the skin. For the skin, what I like to do is I like to combine one brown with one yellow. So I either use Ofudge or cafe mocha, and I combine them with yellow to give me a pretty skin tone, and that is what I am using here. Normally in all my videos you will see that I like to make my own skin tone, depending on whether I want to do a light skin tone, a dark skin tone, etc., etc. So that is how I'm doing coloring, very quick coloring. Not a lot of effort is being put there because at the end of the day this is art journal, and I want this to be very quick and very organic and something impromptu. Now for the hair, I'll be using some black gesso. I did not use watercolor, and instead I used acrylics because this is a mixed media and journal and I wanted to play around with different mediums. And apart from that, I wanted black to be slightly opaque than the other colors. However, you can see that I have diluted black gesso a lot to kind of give it more of a watercolor look. Again, you can see here while I'm applying, I'm not being super precise, because this is more of an art journal, right? It is not a commissioned piece or a project that I'm doing. So once I apply the black gesso, what next I do is I went to my Tim Holtz sticker book and I have added stickers which says me and my art journal, and that will complete my cover page. Unfortunately, that part of sticker sticking is missing in my video because my camera did not shoot that, but don't worry, I have linked all the products that I talk about and use in my videos, so that below in the description of the video, so that you can check them out in case you are interested. And any of my mixed media project will be incomplete without my splatters, so I took the same brown and I added some splatters on top of the page, and here is how it looks completed. And I simply take you through the flip through of the art journal of these pages that we have completed till date. All the tutorials of these pages are available in the description below, where I have linked the complete playlist for you all. So in case you are interested, do check the same out. I leave you with a lot of close-ups of the project. So I hope you enjoy those projects, and I hope you enjoyed this project of the cover page tutorial that we just did. And I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.